welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to try making and using sugar waxing. The great thing about sugar waxing is that it is less painful than regular waxing and is better than shaving your legs every day. It is super simple, easy, cheap, better for sensitive skin. It does work, and since it is made from natural ingredient, it is non-toxic. So let's check it out. For this you will need is 2 cup of sugar, half cup of lemon juice, half cup of water. You can increase or decrease your quantity as per your requirement. A saucepan or whisk or spatula or spoon, a knife, cotton cloth or denim strip. Cut the lemon, squeeze the juice out of it. So pour all of that into saucepan and combine it. Mix it together. Turn your burner to medium heat because you don't want this paste to burn. After a few minutes, you will start to notice that your syrup is starting to bubble. Keep stirring. I am using spoon, but you are free to use whisker or spatula, doesn't matter. Just keep your mixture moving because as long as it's moving, it's not burning. And you will notice that my syrup goes from a really light yellow color to slightly darker color, and the minute it starts to golden, turn off the flame. And continue to stir it as it cools down and starts to thicken. When you get it on your knife or spatula or even your hand, it should be tacky. And you want to taste it with your finger to make sure that it's not gonna burn your body. You don't want it too drippy because then it's probably gonna burn you. You want to start off by powdering the skin, which is gonna ensure that your skin is dry and free from sweat and oil. Apply it on the opposite direction of your hair growth. Put your fabric strip over it, press it down for a couple of seconds and then wipe off the hair in the direction of your hair growth. If you tend to have problem in swelling, make sure you apply adequate pressure after you wipe off your wax. If there is any wax left behind, you can simply clean it off with a little bit of water. And to soothe your skin, I would recommend applying something gentle like aloe vera or ice cube. But here I am applying aloe vera cube. You can store it up to 2 weeks. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Don't forget to like, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And please not hit the gray subscribe button. It does work. If you try this, do let me know in the comment
comment section below.